this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center and welcome back to another video. Today will be a short and sweet video on how to get a watercolor effect without using actual watercolors. We will be using markers instead. For supplies, you'll need watercolor paper or thick paper like cardstock, washable markers, a spray bottle, a flat plastic bag like a Ziploc sandwich bag, and markers or pens to draw with. First, lay the bag out flat and color it with markers. It doesn't have to be a specific design, you can just color all over. Choose 3 to 4 colors that are similar to each other, like warm or cool colors. Complementary colors like purple and yellow will make a brown color when mixed. Once you are done coloring, lightly spray it with water. Then place your paper on top and press down with your fingers. Lift it off and let it dry flat. You can wipe off the bag with a damp piece of paper towel to clean it off. For the bookmark, I'm going to use blue, yellow, and green. This is optional, but you could also use a paintbrush to move the colors around. Here's what the paper looks like when dry. The orangey paper reminds me of a sunset, so I'm going to draw in some power lines. You can draw whatever you like. It can be small doodles or even song lyrics from your favorite artist. I'm going to write the word smile on the bookmark and decorate it with a tassel. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and as always, the written instructions will be linked in the description box below. If you would like to share your art, tag us on Instagram or Facebook at SCYAP Inc. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.